Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to view websites in desktop mode on Samsung DeX. Websites in Samsung DeX often will be displayed as they were in tablet mode, which isn't really too good. I'm gonna show you an example of it. Later on we're gonna compare it to the standard mode, to the computer mode. Now I'm in the computer mode and it looks quite great. No, I'm not in the computer mode. I'm in the tablet mode. If I go to any website or if I just search for something, like let's select Samsung Flip7, you can see it looks very stretched. It doesn't look good on such a big display. Now, if I click on three dots, I'm in the Chrome. I'm in Chrome browser. And in Chrome, you actually need to click on three dots in top right corner to find desktop site. I have it enabled, but if I disable it and re-enable it, it should be working now. Now I'm in the computer website. You can see it looks different. And that's how it should look on a big display. Now, there is an option to always force the desktop site on Google Chrome once you go to settings by clicking on three dots in top right corner, then going to settings and now going to the site settings, and you'll be able to find, let's see where it is, desktop site, and make sure that it's enabled here. And that should typically work. But Google Chrome isn't the best at it. So if you actually want to make it work fully, I would recommend, instead of Google Chrome, using Samsung Internet. This is the browser. It comes pre-installed on Samsung devices. You can see it has this like Saturn, globe, whatever. And when I open that browser, it actually opens always in the desktop mode when in Samsung DeX mode. And if I were to switch to my phone, it'll automatically switch to the mobile version of the website. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.